سمع الله لمن حمده اللهم لك الحمد أنت نور السماوات والأرض ومن فيهن.
On behalf of the entire members of Muslim Student Society of Nigeria, ISO, comprises of 17 states in the southern part of the country, we are honored to welcome all of you to the 104th edition of Islamic Foundation Course.
لباس ويعلو على هامة الحرف نور ويجري القصيد ليحكي الحياة حياة الإمام التقي الصبور. حياة تسامت بنور اليقين وعلم أضاء بكل الدهور كفيف وأبصار جسر النجاة وكم من بصير أضاع الجسور وكم من بصير أضاع الجسور. تموج السطور لذكر ابن باز ويعلو على هامة الحرف نور ويجري القصيد ليحكي الحياة حياة الإمام التقي الصبور. كأن الخميس الحزين قريب وصوت العزاء يذيب الصدور. أمات ابن باز ولاح الفراق سؤال يزلزل كل السطور. سؤال يزلزل كل السطور. تموج السطور لذكر ابن باز ويعلو على هامة الحرف نور ويجري القصيد ليحكي الحياة حياة الإمام التقي الصبور.
Know the history of MSSN. MSS was established in 1924 for the purpose of addressing the issue that relates to Muslims that wanted to be educated, at least in the Western type of education. And then it was founded in Lagos by our father, Raj Tajuddin Aroma Sodi, discovered a magazine known as Muslim Student Society of Burma. And he read the magazine and he subscribed to be member. We are on the 33 acres of land now. This is where we are having our Islamic vacation. It is situated at kilometer 30, Ibadan Lagos Expressway, Imolisha village, close to Onigari.
I want to thank my Amir for his cooperation. Without the cooperation of the Amir, some of the things the office proposed and implemented would not have been successful. So I want to greatly appreciate him for his doggedness. He's ever ready. Once he's convinced about something, he goes all out for it. I also wanted those things that will bring quality. The delegate must not be hungry so as to be able to listen and learn what they have come here to do. The delegate must have water for bathing, for drinking, and the delegate must also provide good sound system so that whatever is being passed across to them is well understood by them. I want to be remembered for the good things I've been able to do while in office. The discipline I've been able to, financial discipline I've been able to introduce into the zonal financial system.
So it's incumbent. Anywhere that you have more than one person, it's incumbent that you have a security personnel. Particularly the way we are here in Nigeria. What is MSSO? MSSO here is to ensure discipline among the delegates, ensure discipline. We are trying as much as possible to make sure that there is enough security.
Look at all these tents we are talking about that is housing our delegates. The president has acquired, and by now we are now having 3 tents, 1,000 seater capacity that is serving as hosted. This has really assisted in housing our delegates on this camp. Administratively, this present administration, in conjunction with our sympathizers and other well-wishers and those that are identified with us, this administration led by Alhaji Alara has extended the tentacle of MSSNB zone beyond southwest. In fact, the link this present administration has given MSSNB zone even up to the embassies of United States, Germany, the Palestine, and so on and so Turkish Foundation, and so on and so forth.
MSSN, as diverse as the members are, as much differences we have in creation, in languages, in understanding, but we are united. And the unity we enjoy in MSSN, if only Nigeria can get that kind of unity, then we will be an exemplary model for the whole world. So Alhamdulillah, our relationship with the zones, both the A and the B zones, has been very cordial. In fact, they are only holding brief for the National Executive Council, as they are those who are administering the 2 zones, and the National Headquarters coordinate the activities of the 2 zones and which cascade to the entire nation. Therefore, our relationship has been very good. Let me particularly say, since I became the national, even before I became the national Amir, I was on the National Executive Council, and I have enjoyed the much of the relationship, the brotherhood, and the cooperative and collaborative effort of the Executive Council is something to always remember, because it has been very palatable. So there is no rancor, there is nothing like misgiving between us. In fact, even if we have an issue of a difference, we sit down, explain to ourselves, and we find a way out of it. It has never been, let me be selfish. Let me be selfish. Others have tried, particularly the zonal Umara from Dr. Abidin Olaiya down until we handed over to Moshefa Alana. But I've seen Moshefa very dogged, very committed. I know it is with the help and assistance of the Akishos, the Giwas, the Olaiyas, and the rest of them that he's been doing it, but he has taken the lead as far as my judgment can give me. He has moved the permanent IVC side far above how we met it. And that is what I want to call, because Moshefa will be handing over in March to whoever is going to take over. Please, just like he had continued on the legacy he met, the person coming behind should also take the cue from him and continue on the legacy that is going to be handed over to him. Not to say I'm going to do other things. No. If we do like that, we will only be moving round a roundabout and thinking we are progressing while we are still on the same point. So please, let's move ahead. Let this place continue. Whoever is taking over should please endeavor to move this place forward, far ahead what Moshefa was able to. Okay.
Achieve some things, alhamdulillah, with the mercies of Allah. Alhamdulillah, we started the building of Umahat hostess. So we built it up to the lintel, lintel level, inshallah, and we plan to do some, even not roofing. We were told to do, what do you call it, to the level of decking now. And so presently we are trying to get 3 million naira, 3.5 million naira, so that by the next regime, inshallah, they'll be able to build it up to the decking level, inshallah. So we've achieved a lot of things, alhamdulillah. Then on the part of the Umahat, alhamdulillah, they were all supportive to this regime. Every year we assign a project to each area unit. I'm talking about the Umahat. We assign a project to each area unit. Even last year we assigned a project like canopies. we gave 3 states. That is their project, and alhamdulillah, they all brought it. Not only that, every year we bought appreciable chairs just to support the IVC, because we have some challenges at the Umahat camp. Sometimes we may need chairs, the chairs is not up to what we need. So because of this, we just assign a project to the Umahat, each area units. We ask them to, even this, at this IVC, inshallah, 3 area units, they bought 15 dozens of chairs to the IVC. So that one can be useful to the IVC. Sometimes, even at the alhamdulillah, the Umahat, they really tried. They really contributed a lot to the B-zone. At the level of the kiddies, some of their challenges, we ask from the kiddies coordinator, we make sure we bust them. Even last year we bought stories, a lot of things like that. And during the kiddies day, we gave them money like 50,000, 20,000, so that they can use it for the kiddies. Yeah, in this regime, we held a 3 sister seminar, and the population is far, the turnout around the land. So we recorded about 300, 350. At the last sister seminar at Osun State area unit, we had it at OAU. We were about 500 delegates that attended the sister seminar. So then we don't have much here because there are a lot of challenges, because the sisters and the Umahat, they are not in the same camp. It's affecting us. Since on Thursday now, in fact, I think the IV started on Saturday. So I've not been with the sisters since then. So I was busy in the Umahat, assuming we were together, so that I will just go to the sister hostel and sleep in the room and have interaction with them, and I will know their problems, their challenges, we'll be able to discuss about that.
Today, turn to the IVC camp through a relentless effort of our leaders and elders who have been immensely contributing to our cause. We are able to point at 2 structures. They are still under construction. As a result of their relentless effort since 2001, that is 15 years ago. I mean, the clinic initiated by Umahat and completed multi-purpose hall, which is still under construction, and it just moved one I-shape of the U-shaped classroom for the past 15 years of the effort. We have to, at this point, or at this junction, appreciate the contribution of late Ààrẹ Mùsùlùmí of Nigeria, Alhaji Abdul Aziz Arishekola Alao, for his huge contribution from time to time when he was alive. We cannot but just have to appreciate the generous donation of following people during the year under review. Alhaji Saheed Arishekola and the entire family of late Ààrẹ for sponsoring today's event. Not only that, for contributing immensely toward the ruling that I've mentioned earlier. Alhaji Taiwo Akande for taking up Kiddies Hostel, which is now at the foundation level. We wait for its completion in earnest. Alhaji Chief Zakariya Babalola, Dr. Abdul Rauf Wale Babalakin, Alhaji Abdul Momin Bello, Engineer Idris Adeoye, Engineer Isaac Bolonsho, Alhaji Yaya Abdul Hamid, Alhaji Habibullah Ajibola, the entire member of the think tank class, headed by Engineer Taufik Agbaje, and the scribe, Dr. Taufik Yakin, as well as so many others who have taken this project dear to their hearts. We can never stop appreciating our father, Alhaji Isaac Ulesoni, who has been the pilot in the journey to this level. May Allah prolong your lives and enrich you all and position you to greater heights for the benefit of Islam.
Alhamdulillah. Torí ìfẹ́kọ̀ọ́ ọ̀gá wa sí ìgbòho, ibi tó ṣe é sí ẹ̀kọ́ tí ó nílẹ̀ yìí.
We find an Amir who has been very amiable and very open to suggestions. So that has been very important. Whosoever is the incoming leadership, I will urge him to be open to suggestions.
I will also urge the think tank to do their best to make sure you do not try to take over the leadership of the community. Make sure you stay advisory, and all the advice that you give are not going to be followed. They are not going to be implemented the way you want it. Just keep on giving your advice on the table. Because an attempt to try to push leadership that I've told you this, why haven't you done it, you must do it, you stand potentially a chance to cause crisis.
I think this story building, I think this one, the other one, and the other one was read during his own tenure. So in fairness, he make a lot of contribution to the progress of this site. So he was person to thank and appreciate his own efforts. He contributes immense to the and I pray the person that come after him will follow his own step.
But here is our own camp, and since then people that have been handling the mantles of affairs within the society have been doing very well. From Adia to Abdulrazak to Mushafa Alaro. And this time of Mushafa Alaro, he has achieved a lot. You can see the structure. Though these structures was led by Abidin Olaya, but unlike where he stopped, he subsequently picked up from there. And we believe that inshallah the brothers that are coming to taking over the mantles of affairs do better than the outgoing executive. So we say Jazakumullah khairan to all of them. Congratulate all of us.
حياة تسامت بنور اليقين وعلم أضاء بكل الدهور كفيف وأبصار جسر النجاة وكم من بصير أضاع الجسور وكم من